Ladies and gentlemen, we're back at it, coming to you from beautiful Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This place is absolutely beautiful. We are going to give you a little day trading cribs lifestyle video. This place is awesome here. I've been here for the last 3 months, living it up. I got this villa right behind me that I want to showcase to you where I've been staying at. I love everything about Brazil. The weather, the girls, the beaches, Christ the Redeemer statue, going to the football games. Absolutely amazing. It's so electric here. The gym that they have here at the beach, completely for free. It's everything you need on the beach. Let's get into it. Let's go through the doors and check out the villa. Okay, we're coming in here, guys. Check it out. Absolutely amazing. We're gonna start off here in the little foyer, the kitchen area. Absolutely amazing. We'll be there in a second. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Come over here. This is the foyer, the kitchen. Here, this is my favorite beer, Brahma. This is the best. You ever come to Brazil, if you can find this at your local liquor store in the international department, come over here. We've got the lounge area. This is so sweet. This is where I spend most of my nights. I kind of grab the computer, chill out here on the couches. We got a nice pool table, and we got some college football going on. You guys ever play pool? Sometimes I like to come over here and just set up the balls and just, oops, that was a fail. Bank them in to the pocket, So I've been chilling out here. College football's back, but my gosh, I got to show you guys this view. Absolutely amazing. Let's go outside. We got the pool right here. It's really nice to refresh on these hot days. It's like 30 degrees out, blue skies, so it's a nice cool pool. I like to go later in the afternoon and cool off. My two friends that are vultures, they are not here. They usually sit here and they drink out of the pool, and they're not here right now. But my gosh, check out this view, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely amazing. You got some people playing in the water, jumping off the cliffs into the water. You got the mountains that you can hike up on. Absolutely amazing. It's a beautiful view here at the place I'm staying at, and it's cheap. We'll get to the price and the lifestyle out here in a second. And then we have the command center. This is where everything goes down right here. One laptop, one opportunity, one trade. You guys know what it is. Let's sit down. This is where I like to come to in the morning, do the market research, do the morning watch list. How could you argue with a view like that, with a cold beer next to you, or a coffee, depending on the time, right? Absolutely beautiful. It's the summertime, right? We're just ending the summertime, going into September. Markets have died down in liquidity, but that's all right. Markets tend to slow down during those summer times, so it's important to remain disciplined to your trading strategy and make small adjustments as you go. I know I just finished up a one-on-one the other night with a guy in the private group, Jam Laveau. Something I do after somebody that's new into the Moneyball trading program, is where we are taking traders to consistently profitable in 90 days, is I sit down with them after 30 to 60 days. Once they have 30 trades, I sit down with them and I see, what do your winners have in common versus your losers? In 45 days, this guy was a losing trader. He joins the program. 45 days later, he's with a 62% win rate with a 2-to-1 reward to risk. Absolutely amazing. This guy has huge potential. He is the next prodigy. Jam Laveau, I know you're watching this, man. You're gonna do good things in your trading career. But besides that, took a trade on gold, I believe, came out with about 750 bucks. It's about finding that strategy, having that like-minded community, group of traders, trying to become consistently profitable. And that's what we're trying to do in the Moneyball trading program. So let's continue our house tour. My gosh, that view never gets old. I just sit out there all day. So let's continue the little house tour. And we'll come back inside. This is the foyer. I don't spend any time here. I spend all my time outside, maybe in the kitchen and that lounge area back there with the college football, the pool table. Absolutely amazing. We'll go over here to the master bedroom. Master bedroom, nothing special, just nice, cool. Got TV, got another lookout area, so you can sit out there, sure. And then, you know what, if I want some peace and quiet, I just want to be in the bushes, I come over here and sit down in this nice little chair right here. Sit down, relax, have a moment to myself. It's quiet. No noise comes in this area, so it's nice and quiet. Connect myself with the greenery around me. It's absolutely amazing. So let's continue with the rest of the tour really quickly. To be honest, I don't know if there's much left. I mean, oh, we got the bathroom. You guys know I love bathroom tours. Come over here. The guy told me, he says, most people don't like taking a shower here. I'm like, why? This is the best bathroom. He's like, no, most people like to go down below because there's a whole basement down below. But I'm like, why? A beautiful view here, check it out. This is where I shower. This is everything that I do. Everything happens right there, baby. I want the view. I want people to see. So hey, this is the place that I've been living at. This is the place that I've been staying at here in Rio de Janeiro. How much is this place costing? I think people think places like this that I stay in are expensive. I always showcase in all my traveling and trading videos about how much this stuff costs, how much a month. It's actually cheaper to live in these other countries than say living in Canada or United States or in like London. You go live in South America, Southeast Asia, everything becomes a lot cheaper. It's not more money, it's cheaper to live in these countries. So like a place like this, it's about, for 1 month, $3,000 American for a place like this. But if I go another 30 minutes north of here, outside of Rio, I can get a beachfront place. I'll show you guys pictures of that. Beachfront place for about 1,500 Canadian, which is like $1,100, $1,000 American. Beachfront, absolutely insane. But you know, check this out. I'm sure you guys are like spending $3,000 on your mortgage. You guys could be living in a villa like this. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. So like I said, this is where I mostly sit. Hands down, one of my favorite places. It's absolutely amazing, guys. You guys know, traveling and trading, that's what I wanted to do with my career. I didn't want to do the 9-to-5 job. I did it. But then I got on the job and I was like, screw this, that's not for me. So I started looking for ways of making money online. I eventually came across day trading. That's what I decided I wanted to lock in on. It took me about 2.5, 3 years to learn. But now 8 years later, I'm chilling out here in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil with this penthouse villa view. Absolutely amazing, right? So it definitely is possible. I want to showcase that with you and create profitable traders in the Moneyball trading program. So you guys can actually get my ebook and strategy that I trade completely for free in the description below. I will have that all for you guys in the masterclass as well. Just check that out, moneyballtrading.com. And I have no problem helping you guys out. If you guys have any questions, you guys can always reach out to me on social media at Moneyball Austin. And I will see you guys in the next one, traveling and trading around the world. Let's get it.